Welcome guys, so today I moved the Realme Narzo 50i Prime and I'm gonna show you 5 camera tips. So at first I'm gonna show you that all of the settings you will find as default. So I just restart all of default settings on the camera, and the first option will be about the volume buttons that you can find right here. So we can use them as this shutter. As you can see, you can click on the volume up or volume down and you will take photo. As you can see, that's very simple. Another tip will be about the series of the photo. So when you click and hold your shutter, you can take 20 photos in very short time. The same with the volume up and volume up and volume down buttons. Another tip will be about the filters. As you can see, you can change color and look of your photo by choosing this preset, for example, like that. If you want to get back for original look of your photos, just open it for another time and pick the first one. When you want to zoom in, you can make it by holding your finger on the 1x and then moving with the slider. And the last tip will be in the settings. You can enable the countdown duration between 3 or 10 seconds. When you enable for 3 seconds and click on the shutter, after this countdown, the photo will be taken. Okay, and as you can see, that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.